Welcome to 5946 Yates Florida Road. This sprawling Rambler has over 1,900 square feet and is situated on over 1 acre. Join me today for your private tour. As you enter the home, you're greeted with this living room that has wonderful hardwood flooring and is anchored by a wood-burning fireplace. And this is the perfect space to entertain. The kitchen is open and bright with everything you would want, from stainless steel appliances, sleek countertops, and even custom cabinetry. Off of the kitchen, you have the spacious dining room. On the main level, hardwood floors run throughout with 3 bedrooms, each with a private closet and 1 shared full bathroom. The lower level is fresh and upgraded. You have direct access to your private rear yard, and I love the light, the windows that just strain through. You don't even know that you're on the lower level. In addition, the lower level bathroom has custom vanity lighting system and floor-to-ceiling tile. As you walk into your additional storage area, the mechanicals are everything. Washer and dryer will convey. You have a new HVAC system, and the owners just installed a new well pump. That's right, a well pump. And you have a newer water heater. Everything you know you need as a homeowner has been upgraded for you. As you follow your private drive, you'll notice the detached 2-car garage, flagstone patio, and even an additional shed. This mature lot with wooded privacy also gives you the opportunity to practice your green thumb with this area that's already been designated for your future garden. Thank you for watching the video on this exclusive property with the Nellis Group. Reach out to us today to book your own private tour.